Hey boos! So I made this super cute nude set with a little bit of bling bling. So if you guys want to see how I did it, make sure you stay tuned. So I'm taking my extra long stiletto nails that I get off AliExpress. I'll link them down below. I've already buffed the surface and I've just filed like the little piece on the top. And I'm just gonna apply on my Born Pretty nail polish. This one doesn't have like a number on it. It doesn't have a color. So I'm not really sure what color it is, but it's just this light nude kind of taupe color, I want to say. I'm really bad with describing colors, but anyways, you can see what it is. It's a really nice, light, creamy nude. But yeah. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this polish and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp each time for 60 seconds. This is how they're looking after 2 coats. Ooh, they so cute. Comment down below, what's your favorite shade of nude? Like right now, I'm really feeling like the mocha and the milk chocolates, especially for like clothing. And then I'm also really feeling like this light nude color too, like this cream color. But anyways, back to what I'm doing. So I got these transfer foils off of AliExpress. So I'm taking this like, it doesn't show it properly on camera, I feel, but it's kind of like bronzy. Like it's not really gold, not rose gold. So I'm gonna say bronzy. So I'm taking that transfer foil and I'm putting it on my index finger, and that's going to be like an accent nail. So I've just cut 2 strips of the transfer foil so that they can fit both index fingers, and I'm taking my Macart nail art transfer glue, and as per the instructions, I'm applying on a thin even coat and then curing, wow, English, curing it in my lamp for 60 seconds. So I've been seeing people say that with this transfer glue, after you cure it, you should let it kind of like cool down. So that's what I'm doing, just kind of like letting the nails rest and cool before I apply the transfer foil, because they say that that helps it stick on a lot better. Like it kind of makes the glue more tacky. So I am no longer using the back of my eyelash glue applicator. I finally got a little nail kit from my dollar store, and it came with this, whatever you call this, I have no idea, but I'm using that to rub on the transfer foil on the glue, and I rub hard because I get so upset. Well, not really, but like it makes me sad when my transfer foils don't stick on well. So I really like, you see me pushing it in there. And then anywhere that there's gaps, I'm just gonna rub it over. But I've noticed that with these transfer foils, because it's kind of like metallic, they tend to get scratches, so it leaves a little bit of um, a hole in the actual metallic, if that makes sense. I don't know. But I'm gonna put on another coat of the Macart transfer glue because I'm gonna do another layer of transfer foil on both nails. So originally I started by just filling in like the missing spots, but then I realized that by doing it like this, like in patches, the transfer foil actually comes out like smooth and shiny. Because it's metallic and you tend to get like creases sometimes with transfer foils, it makes it kind of ruffled. But doing it in patches, it came on really, really smoothly. So if you have these metallic foils, that is my suggestion, do it in patches. Or if you're a pro, then I mean, you can just do it in one shot, but I don't know, it wasn't working for me, so. So this is what they're looking like after they're all done. And then this is what the set is looking like so far. So of course we need some bling. So I'm taking these, they're super cute. It comes in a pack of 2. I got them off AliExpress. So I'm going to be putting these on the ring fingers. So I do not like my rhinestone gel. It just doesn't work. So I'm going to be taking UV gel and then just applying it on the back of the actual gemstone and then sticking it onto the nail. You guys will see what I'm doing. So first I just like to put the gem on the nail and kind of see where I want it to lay on the nail. And like I said, I'm just going to take some of my UV gel with a brush and literally just put it on the back of the gem. And with this gem, it kind of has a dent a little bit in the middle. So I'm going to put some extra gel in there so that way it can really stick onto the nail properly. And then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 2 minutes on a normal heat setting. And when I say a normal heat setting, with my lamp, for example, it has the option of curing for 120 seconds, but it's at a lower heat. But then it has 60 seconds, and just do that twice because it's at a regular heat, if that makes sense. So when you place it on, you can definitely still move it around because you haven't cured the gel yet, but I just find that the gel will leave a residue. So if you do tend to move it, just make sure you have like a little brush and you can wipe off any extra residue, because I find that it like kind of affects the surface, like it's not smooth and shiny, like you can kind of tell there was something else there. So this is what we're looking like so far, and no, we're still not done. We need more bling. So I'm taking these like copper bronze gemstones and I'm going to be putting them on a couple of the nails, but I'm putting top coat around the ring finger, just around the gemstone, so that way the rest of the nail can be shiny, but also it helps, well, I find it helps my crystals stick on better as well too. And then using my picker, I'm taking, I think it's the third biggest gemstone, and I'm placing it in the center of the nail. I apply a tiny bit of the UV gel just on the back to help it stick, and that way when I actually wear the set, it helps them last longer. So I'm putting that in the middle, but then I'm also going to take these smallest crystals and put one right under, and then put some going around the base of the nail. You could of course do this all at once, but I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to add on to this nail, so I am going to cure it again for 2 minutes, and then once it comes out, I'm just going to apply top coat onto all of the rest of the nails and then make them nice and shiny as well. And I just want a little bit more bling, not too much. So I'm just taking two of the bigger stones or the gems and just putting them on the base of my thumbnail. And I'm taking one of the smallest gems and putting that right on the tip of the thumbnail. And then that is it. That's all the bling for this set. I know, right? Minimal. But I'm going to cure the thumbnail in the lamp for 60 seconds and then the rest of the nails because of the top coat just for 1 minute. And then you guys, here comes the finished product. And voila, that's what our set looks like, you guys. I think it's super cute, but of course that is a little bit biased, but I mean, hey, comment down below, let me know, do you guys like this set? If you do, give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.